Moses Wetangula emoyier kaka Spika manyien mar od bura mamalo.
Wetangula oyangi kaka jaloch bang' yombe tielo mokwongo makaito bang'e Kenneth Marende mane gilero goyo bade piny.
Ikuno mar ombulu Wetangula ne odombulu 215 kiluwe gi Marende mane odo 130.
Kata kamano Marende goyo bade piny kapok gidhi ombulu mar ariyo.
Ekoro mga jwang' achiel kachiel oboteri od bura mondo miwane ni to Moses Wetangula chiwo twak mare to kauschamo muma mar bedo Spika mar od bura mamalo.
I accept and submit to your will, and I'm ready to serve as the 8th Speaker of the National Assembly since our independence. I'm delighted to note that over 55% of members of the last Parliament have been re-elected. Of this category, 24 of you served in the previous parliaments. Your re-election demonstrates the confidence that the citizenry has in the leaders that they elect to this House. Honourable members, speaking of the Honourable Justin Muturi, what many of you may not know is that he's not just my predecessor. He was my roommate at the University of Nairobi, at the School of Law. He was also my classmate. He is my age mate and a long-time friend. We made our debut in Parliament together in the 7th Parliament. We were appointed earlier in our years as magistrates on the same date. Indeed, I do not know whether to call it fate, sheer coincidence, or maybe it's God's plan, but whatever it is, our paths in life have always met, and today they meet again.